Hello everybody. So, it's Olivia's birthday tomorrow and this is what she wanted for her birthday. She's been talking about this for absolutely ages. Usually she'll do like all kids do and go, oh I want this, and then this thing and forgotten. But this one she's been talking about for a good year and a half. So she's got one for her birthday and now I'm going to put it together. Sorry, by the way, I've got a cold. I'm available for voiceover work. B-roll, is it? I'm doing it. Oh, here we go. So, what have we got inside? Ooh. An invitation. An invitation to the PonyCycle Owners Club. And look what we have. Wow. One saddle, one pony, minus the head. Cue loads of jokes about the Godfather and horse heads in bed. Alright then, let's stand up for this bit. There we go. That's it, I think. Yeah, that's empty pot. Got some tools too, which is good because I didn't want to go out the garage and get my tools. It's got this zip bag, a zip seal bag that's underneath, so you just slide that along. There we are.
What did the horse without head say?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Yay! I guess I'm going to read the instructions. I know. As usual, many languages. Remove the pony from the box. Please assemble as below. Take the horse head and insert the brake cable down. Gotta get the horse's head from between the legs first. Oh, here we go, we're out. But there is a little noise thing here which you can get like, well, I think there's at least 4 sounds. It's quite heavy. Do that. So there's these 2 screws, just you're gonna tighten. Taking the horse head right down, ensuring the bolt that joins the 2 pieces needs to be securely fastened. Close the zipper. That is literally it. That's better. Right. So we need to tighten those up before we zip it up. It's not tightening. That's a great start. That's better. It's so awkward to get in there. Find the sound unit here. It says to pull out that yellow tab. Yeah. Little tiny things. Should we try it? Put that back in there. Zip it up. Like that. Yeah, should we try it?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Olivia. Happy birthday to you.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray! Mummy made that herself.
On the back for some reason.
She made that herself, Mummy did.